If you were to step off a plane in Tokyo today, in 2026, you would find yourself in a country that is engaged in one of the world's most fascinating balancing acts. Japan is a place where the 22nd century and the 12th century don't just exist side by side. They rely on each other. It is a nation that has perfected the art of high-tech Zen, a culture that can produce the world's most advanced robotics while simultaneously maintaining a tea ceremony that hasn't changed in 500 years. To understand modern Japan, you have to look at how it handles its own popularity. In the last year, over 40 million people traveled here, making it one of the most visited places on Earth. But Japan doesn't just let the crowds happen. It engineers them. As we move through 2026, we're seeing a massive shift in how the country functions. In Kyoto, new tourist taxes and strict crowd control measures for the cherry blossom season are being implemented to protect the quiet dignity of ancient temples like Kinkakuji. Japan is essentially teaching the world that preservation is just as important as progress. And yet, the progress here is relentless. If you head to the Kansai region, the legacy of the recent World Expo has transformed Osaka into a laboratory for the future. On Umeshima Island, what was once a quiet artificial landmass is now being reborn as a high-tech entertainment hub, featuring some of the first fully integrated digital transit systems in the world. Even the iconic Shinkansen, the bullet train, is evolving. In 2026, we're seeing the rollout of private room carriages and limited edition themed trains that turn a simple commute into an immersive experience. But Japan's true magic isn't found in the gadgets. It's found in the the Japanese concept of negative space, or the gap. You see it in the way a busy salaryman will stop to bow to a small roadside shrine in the middle of Shinjuku, or in the meticulous way a 7-Eleven clerk packs your lunch with the precision of an artist. It is a culture of omotenashi, or wholehearted hospitality, where the goal is to anticipate a guest's needs before they even realize they have them. For the modern traveler or the digital native, Japan in 2026 offers a new kind of retrofuturism. While the world moves toward a completely digital existence, Japan is seeing a massive resurgence in physical media and analog hobbies. Vinyl record shops in Shimokitazawa are packed, and film photography is more popular than ever among the youth. Even the gaming world is looking back as it moves forward, with the highly anticipated Poke Park Kanto opening this year, a physical manifestation of a digital world that started 30 years ago. However, the Japanese miracle is also facing its greatest challenge: its own demographic clock. With a shrinking and aging population, the country is becoming a real-world test case for how a society functions when there are more robots than young workers. This has led to innovations that feel like science fiction, from automated luggage storage in convenience stores to AI-driven, smart agriculture in the rural prefectures of Tohoku. Japan isn't just building robots for fun. It's building them to keep its society running. As you leave the neon glow of the cities and head into the Japanese Alps or the subtropical islands of Okinawa, the pace of life shifts. Here, the mountains are still considered the homes of the kami, or spirits, and the changing of the seasons is celebrated with a religious fervor. Whether it's the Sapporo Snow Festival in the north or the Gion Matsuri in the heart of Kyoto, these festivals, some over 1,000 years old, remain the heartbeat of the nation. Japan is a reminder that you don't have to delete your past to download your future. It is a country that is constantly updating its software while keeping its hardware firmly rooted in the earth. It is a place that can be overwhelming and peaceful at the exact same time. Thanks for watching.